Imagine this. Your son just brought his partner over for the first time. First meet for you and your whole family. Now, you're gonna be feeling one of 4 ways: love, hate, or somewhere in between. I'm gonna show you a dessert to make for each phase. 1 for maximum effort, I love him. Minimal, don't come back. And then 2 others for something in between. Let's head over to the kitchen and I'll show you how to do it. All right, guys, we're back in the kitchen. Everybody else is still at the table and you need to decide what you're bringing, because whatever you bring is gonna say a lot about your feelings. So let's start with the basic of basics. Sara Lee pound cake is a favorite of everyone. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. This level is gonna say, please don't come again. You're gonna spend less than 2 minutes on this. Glad you like my son, but I don't like you. We've all been there, guys, let's not pretend. So, toffee sauce, I mean, come on, this is so easy. I wish someone had a timer on me. Boom, 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 boom. Maybe 1 more spoonful, because even if you don't like someone, they still deserve toffee sauce. Right over the top, get it on the edges. All right, and then we're just gonna do some bits. Right down the back, boom, easy. And that is your, hey, 2 minute, not interested in meeting you again, dessert. You don't hate him, you don't love him, somewhere in between. Strawberries are a great way. You just give them a little slice, cut the tops off, to zhuzh up a dessert without putting too much effort in. Just enough. See, it already is making this look a little bit cuter, a little more effort. Maybe you can come back, maybe not. I'm somewhat indifferent. You didn't wow me, but I also don't dislike you enough to put under 5 minutes into the dessert prep. So I know we've all been there. There we go. Honestly, I think that's really all you need, right? Yeah, I think that's all we need. All right, I just grabbed these strawberry preserves out of the microwave. This would say, I like you. I'd like you to come back. I'm not crazy about you, but I like you. I've just drizzled that right over the top, just like that. It's glorious. This is gonna pair really well with the strawberries. This is gonna pair really well with the dark chocolate. Plus, it looks beautiful. All right, back to the table. Maximum effort, guys. We're taking the whole thing off. We're gonna take the time to actually slice this beautiful pound cake. Ooh, yeah, this is stunning. Doesn't this arrangement say, thank you for coming over, please come again? Because it does to me. If someone put a pound cake like this in front of me, covered in Scamps Toffee, I would certainly come back. That's lovely. And let's dress it, all right? First things first, the most important ingredient is Scamps Toffee, right? So you want to stir that up and give it a gorgeous drizzle right over the top. Ooh, yes. Perfect. Second, our extra strawberries. We're just going to take those and we're going to grace the sides of the plate with them, just like this. Isn't it interesting how just a simple plate and cut of a pound cake can make something look 7 levels more elevated? It really just shocks me. Oh, and final step, I have some toasted coconut here. Check it out. Let's just drizzle that right over the top to give it some texture. We use this in Scamps Toffee's barks, various different barks. It's toasted coconut. It's lovely. Voila. Let's head back to the table. Oh, hold, one thing. my gosh, more wine. You need more wine.